Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 996. Just finished putting the new oil cooler on top here. New rear main seal, IMS bearing. Come to the front. I've done the actual oil feed as well. And there was a water pump in the customer's car, brand new one, so I fitted that one as well. The reason why, because this one here is starting to be noisy. So, if you can see, wait up. You hear this? Wait up, sorry. It's hard, but I just wanted to fit the brand new one because it's already out anyway. So plus he had a brand new water pump in the car as well, so I might as well just fit that one based on the car. It's all done anyway, so I don't want to start the car up and the old one start leaking. And if you've got new parts, fit it while the engine's out. Don't wait for it to fail, just fit it. Alright, don't waste your time. When the engine's out, if you have spare parts at home for your car, just give it to the mechanic. Give it to the mechanic and they'll just got new coils already done. Spark plugs, and one more thing. Brand new reservoir. There you go. Brand new coolant reservoirs all fitted already. So now we're going to fit the brand new flywheel. This is the brand new flywheel. If you're wondering how to match up your flywheel, make sure the teeth are always the same. So just put the flywheel back to back right next to each other, push the other one towards it, and then make sure the teeth goes in like this. And just see that? That means they've got the right teeth for it. That's a little test that I always do all the time before I fit the flywheel of the car, because I came across one flywheel was wrong and I didn't do it, and I had to take the whole engine out, so the whole gearbox out again to do it. So anyway, I'm going to fit this here, fit that there, torque this up with the new clutch as well, put everything back together on the side, put the gearbox on, and then we're ready to roll. Fit the engine to the car. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe.